Meep Meep. We got a 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner here, just rebuilt 383 Magnum engine, 4-speed shifter, beautifully restored. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find price tags on every car we have, along with a monthly finance payment that you can afford. The banks we deal with will go 15 years on most cars. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Let's check this baby out. It looks like a piece of orange glass. And it's got the Roadrunner hood with these two little imitation scoops. And it is straight, polished, shiny. A little bit of dust or divots in the paint right here. I mean, minor stuff. This all fits real nice. Front fender looks pristine. It has the Penn-Star emblem, no bubbles, no waves. This is all mint condition. Rockers, quarters are clean. Door shuts like a new car. Real nice and straight, smooth, shiny, no issues. Quarter panels clean and straight. Paint is like glass. Beautiful. Just absolutely stunning. This is a really exceptional body and paint finish. Straight, fits right. I haven't found a bubble. I haven't found body work or shrinkage or cracking. This is all real nice. Look at that gap, nice and square. Shuts real nice. Beautiful. The Roadrunner emblem. Notice there's no Penn-Star emblem on this side. They only put them on one side. And I remember years ago, the first time I noticed, I thought, oh, they forgot to put one on this side. They only put it on the one. Windshield, crystal clear. The rubber gasket's been replaced. The stainless moldings are like a 9 out of 10. The occasional little light hairline scratch, that's about it. Up front, the grille is very good. It's probably original, it's shiny, it's straight, it looks good. Bumper's been rechromed. Looks like a new or rechromed correct antenna, nice and shiny. The 383 is shiny and looks good. The vent window frames are real nice original. They're smooth, so they're not pitted, but there is a little freckling in the chrome. The trim on top of the door, it's a 7 or 8. It's nice and shiny, but there's a little dink right there, a little surface wear. I like how the windows pop open. I always display them with them open. There is some pinstripe. This is hand pinstripe. They got a neat little break in the stripe right there. Rear window is very nice original. Back bumper is chromed. Tail lights are good original. They're 7 out of 10. Bumper's brilliant. And it's sitting on some 15-inch polished torque thrust wheels. They look like they're a little fatter in back. Tires definitely fatter in back. It has some Mickey Thompson like street strip tires, sportsman tires. So that's the outside of the car. Let's open it up, see what's inside. All right, we're going to look inside a clean trunk compartment. Yeah, underneath the trunk lid, look at that. It's painted as slick as the top side. Same thing with the trunk jamb. Just slick. Whoever painted this car did a great job. Inside the whole trunk compartment, real nice and clean. It's painted that same orange. It's more of a satiny finish, not as glossy. It's got a rubber mat. And you know what? They bought a 5th matching wheel, which is nice, on a brand new tire, never been used. Does need a jack, though. I don't see a jack assembly. Price tags are on all of our cars. If you go to volocars.com, and there's also a monthly payment that can be stretched out over 15 years on most cars, so makes it very affordable. So the door jambs, just like the rest of the car, they're painted slick as can be. The weather strips were replaced. The sill plates are shiny. The door panels, armrest, window crank, that all looks like new. The dash area does have a repair right here. It's a little sloppy. The dash pad has been replaced. There's a nice tachometer. Has a custom stereo. This all looks good. Kick panel's nice. carpets were replaced. Has some nice Plymouth floor mats. And then right here, folks, this is the best part. 4-speed shifter. It's a Hurst. It's for the bench seat. And then there's some gauges down below here that were added to the car. Summit gauges. You have an auxiliary fan by the radiator, and you have electric fuel pump switches. I can tell you the first thing you're going to notice when you sit in here is the cushions are nice and firm. All the cushions have been rebuilt. Look at this, nice and firm. And when you have nice firm cushions, you don't get the wrinkles in the upholstery. It's got 3-point retractable harnesses. The back seat's also redone. I think it's an upgraded material too. I don't know if that's leather. It might be leather. It's very nice and thick but soft, firm. Side panels are replaced. All the black metal trim is painted real nice. Headliner looks to be in real good shape. Looks like they're the original visors, but in good shape. Some of the threads come undone. The mirror's been replaced. It has an aftermarket GT wheel. Actually, it's on a tilt column, so the whole column's been replaced. Billet handles. Beep, beep. It's also a fuel-injected car. So it has the screen. It's FITech fuel injection. Even up by the hood or door hinges is painted real nice. So we do have a full service shop. This car was running great. We found a crack in the block. We could have left it. We could have repaired it. We found another engine. We bought a 1970 383 Magnum engine, had it completely professionally rebuilt. We have all the specs. It was balanced. We got a little hotter cam in there. So that's what we do. We go through our cars. We built the motor. We even fixed the reverse lights and adjusted the e-brake. So whether it's something minor or something major, we do our best to address it. Aluminum intake on top. MSD coil. It's got a FITech fuel injection under there. And then some nice Holley finned aluminum valve covers. And again, whoever painted it did the whole engine bay just as nice. Cadmium plated fender bolts, all clean metal, painted real nice and slick. Got the Roadrunner horn up front here, along with the auxiliary cooling fan in front of a nice polished aluminum radiator. And then you still have the fan on the engine as well. There's a Street Fire multi-spark ignition box down there too. So the battery is secured with a nice billet Mopar hold down, has a disconnect switch. We've got power steering. And again, just painted up nicely, even under the hood. It's a good looking engine compartment. Just rebuilt. There's probably not 20 miles on that engine. So underneath the car is rock solid. Front end looks like it's all been rebuilt recently. The rear suspension looks good. It's got a new dual exhaust system with stainless steel polished Borla mufflers. It has a nice mellow but muscly sound to it. Disc brakes in front, they've been rebuilt. They're drum and back. The fuel tank looks new and it has all the appropriate fuel pump for a fuel injection system. That all looks new. Of course, looking up at the motor, it's brand new. We just put it in there as a high torque starter, as a correct 833 4-speed transmission, 8 3/4 rear end in the back. So really nice looking Roadrunner, restored beautifully in and out with a brand new, fresh, rebuilt engine for you. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to take advantage of that financing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.